Real estate fun fact you may or may not know. Did you know the positioning your air conditioning thermostat makes a huge difference in its reading? If you put a thermostat in a hallway where it's darker, it will switch off the air conditioning unit many times because that area is cold, compared to if it's on by a window and the area gets heats up, your some portion of the house will be cold, but still the air conditioning unit keep running. So right position will be somewhere in the middle of the house, which can read both sides of the temperature. If you like this fact important, please like, follow and share, and I'll see you in another video.